stop or get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Dipstick had a heifer calf. She just spat it out, and it's been a heck of a nasty day. We had a whole lot of rain, super icy this morning, and she was looking pretty uncomfortable early on in the day, and she decided finally to come in the barn and do her business. So Dipstick had a heifer calf, and yeah, I'm pretty proud. Dipstick is an awesome mom. She's an awesome mom. She is the only crossbred cow that we have. She is a Holstein Black Angus, but we like her anyway because she's got an awesome disposition, and that's basically why we kept her, is because she keeps the heifers really calm. She's got an amazing mothering ability, as you can see, and she's just spot on girl. She does everything really quick by herself, and she's a phenomenal mom and has an awesome attitude as a mom. She just keeps great track of her calves, and she treats them well, and she feeds them really, really well because she's got that half dairy mentality to her milk. So she's going to be able to give this little heifer a whole heck of a lot of good juices. So happy birthday, little heifer. Congratulations, Dipstick. You're such a good girl. I am so excited about this. You guys have no idea. Yeah, and she just came out. I just missed it by a second. I was walking around the corner. Oh, I'm so excited. Congratulations, Mama. Congratulations. She's gorgeous. Happy birthday, baby. Good girl. I'll leave you to it then. I'm going to come back here in a little bit when she's got the baby licked off and she's kind of standing up a little bit, assess her drinking abilities. She looks like a spunky little sucker, so I don't think she's going to have too much of an issue. And Dipstick has some really nice teats, so it should just all fall into place. But then I'll spray her navel, and then in 2 days we will give her some Enforce 3. It just basically helps with her, trying to fight the pneumonia that she could possibly develop, especially on a night like tonight where it's just so darn nasty. But we'll get her tagged and get her navel dipped and assess her drinking. Happy birthday. Congratulations. She's a rock star. She's got it all figured out already. Yeah. That's a liver for sure. Her navel is sort of that reddish yellow color because we just sprayed her. Basically, you just spray that with, what do we use? We got this super naval Vetericin spray this time. And it turns them kind of like a funky yellowish red. It stays that way for quite a while, which is very interesting. But, yeah, she's got it. Heck yeah. Good job, Mama. Dipstick calved when it was raining, and now it's snowing. Tell you what, not exactly the best conditions. She's in the barn with her heifer calf, and the other little guys are up in the three-sided shed. They're just locked up there. Wowie. 40-mile-an-hour gusts ain't fun. Oh, the difference 2 days make. I stood here on Friday night telling you guys that there was an epic blizzard, and there was. We got about 6 inches of snow. It's like it almost never happened. We're expected to get another bout of it on Monday, however, so we'll see if this view changes. But we've got everybody some new hay up there, and then we're gonna toss out some bedding and get everybody bedded up so that they can lay down. That pack looks pretty squishy, and it is squishy. So try to get them a nice place to camp out and lay down. And yeah. Oh, and by the way, we had a baby. We had another little heifer calf. Jade had herself a little heifer calf at about 7 o'clock this morning. And Jade is not one of those cows that you really go investigate a whole heck of a lot. She and I have a mutual understanding that we keep our space from each other. So I'm really glad that she had a calf on Sunday, because then Greg can be around to help me as a spotter, and she doesn't want to kill him as much as she wants to kill me. So So Jade and her little heifer calf got let out about 2 hours ago, and since then we put hay in the other pack and bedded up there as well. So she has this pack all to herself, which is, it's a nice sunny spot. So they're just taking a snooze and taking a rest and getting a good snuggle. Thanks so much for hanging out at Wild Ass Farms. There's a whole bunch more going on this summer and spring. More babies to be born, so please hit the like and subscribe so that you can get notifications of our new videos. And we'll check you later. We're going to enjoy some sun and some mud pups.
Time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that